I don't know anything about the Girdwood site.
Don't know anything about it.
Very little.
Nothing really.
Not an awful lot. I haven't heard an awful lot about it, to be honest with you.
Girdwood Barracks and Crumlin Jail is a 27-acre site in North Belfast, which has been designated for regeneration. An estimated £231 million will be invested in the site. Girdwood lies at the heart of some of the most deprived communities in Northern Ireland. These communities are characterised by long-term inequality and deprivation, which impacts on the health, employment, housing and education of those that live there. In November 2007, the Department for Social Development launched a consultation on a draft master plan for the site, which included a variety of proposals. There were significant concerns among the communities that the proposals did not address the inequalities and poverty in the local areas, as government policy and legislation required. Another major concern was that local residents had not been able to participate effectively in the regeneration process or in the decisions which would affect their lives. The purpose of the residents' jury is to ensure that the human rights of local residents are central to the regeneration process. Members of the jury were selected to ensure that its composition reflected the broad range of diverse identities across North Belfast. These residents took part in a development programme with the participation and the Practice of Rights project on a human rights-based approach to regeneration. They focused on particular core themes central to a human rights-based approach: participation, accountability and equality. The residents' jury will be considering verbal and written evidence, and following the event will develop recommendations on how human rights can be mainstreamed into the entire regeneration process. These recommendations will be based on international human rights standards and will be monitored and developed at different stages throughout the regeneration process. The regeneration of Girdwood Barracks and Crumlin Jail represents a unique opportunity to remedy the severe deprivation and inequality which exists in the communities surrounding the site. This residents' jury is about making sure that happens.